10 Amazon Home Finds. This electric Go Kart allows your kids to drive it around and actually have a fun time cleaning. You just pull this out, attach this to the front, and then you can let them drive it around from 1 to 5 miles per hour. It has a cubby to store cleaning supplies or toys in. This scraper tool that you can use to literally get any type of sticker off of anything in your house. You can also take it out and use the point to clean up tight spaces. And you can even start perfect. This is a weird little attachment that goes around your phone. And if you place it over your flashlight, then it helps diffuse the light and also makes it brighter. It's a nice little lamp for a lot of situations. This hanger ring that is perfect for hanging belts, hats, bags, and really anything you need to organize better. Plus, it's actually pretty strong and can hold a lot of weight. This is cleaning bag for your sneakers. Just put your shoes in, and then you just throw them in the washing machine. The little scrubbers clean your shoes so well, and they also protect your shoes from getting all messed up. This Blockbuster video case that is perfect for storing your Nintendo Switch games. It's actually made by Blockbuster too, so I'm happy to see they're still around and doing cool things. This is expanding smart drawer organizer that was really easy to install and helped me organize all the little things in our junk drawer that were driving me crazy. This is tiny trash can attachment that will make sure you always have a replacement bag available when you need it. Plus, it comes with 3 bag refill for $5. If your home's airflow feels weak, this gadget steps in to supercharge your heating and cooling. No more uneven temps. This new projector is bright as a full-size projector, but it's only the size of a soda can. Super portable, and it runs for up to 2 hours on a single charge. You can also get a tripod with a battery pack to double the battery life. Perfect for summer movie nights anywhere, or setting up a cozy blanket fort for the kids.